Okay, today I'm doing that video to show you some idea for small gift for Christmas. You give it away for your mate, for your colleague. It's basically is it really cheap, but it comes in that pack. I want to show you what is inside that pack. Basically, it's a Silverline credit card multi-tool. It comes with a guarantee forever if you registered online. If we open the pack now, leather wallet, small tool, stainless steel product. It's not gonna get rust or something. Stay forever. The idea for that, you don't need to use all that tool anymore if you want to carry it in your pocket and you just carry it every day. Also, it's got a hole for if you want to hang it with your key fobs, everything with your keys every day, and it's very easy to use. For example, that much really, and can open it. It's easy like that. If you are away for camping, doing something, it's easy. You can get your food opened, and also you will have 4 type of metric spanner: 6, 7, 8, and 10. Also, it's got very sharp hacksaw, and also it's got sharp knife as an edge, flat screwdriver, ruler if you want to measure something quickly, very tiny, but you can see each thing. Like, you can measure very tiny, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter easy. And also it comes with really tiny spanner number 4 and 5. What the idea for this? You just put it in your pocket. You don't need to use all this bit. That's it. All that you can buy it from our shop for $2.49, delivered, no headache. Thank you for watching.